Okay, guys, you saw the title, so we're gonna jump right into it. It's a two-in-one charger stand for your foldable devices. That's your Samsung 1 through 4 or 5. You can pause that last clip. You can see it. I picked it up at Amazon for $49.99. That was a real quick around the box. It wasn't much to see. All right, let's pop this open. As you can see, it's built from quality alloy metal. Uh, there's your little tightening ring. Lock your stand in place, or lock the arm in place. And as you can see, it gave quite a bit of resistance as I tried to unfold it. It's very sturdy and strong, as it should be. Most of our folding devices are pretty heavy, so you're gonna need something that can support the weight, of course. All right, there's a two-way Type C charger. I'll show you what that's for. There's a quick charger. Yeah, I tried to pause that so you guys could read it right there. All right. Uh, I believe that was 25 watt, which is fast as most of the Samsung foldables can charge. All right. There's a large holding piece. Let's slide the paper off here. See the ring on the bottom base there? That's where you're gonna put your buds to wirelessly charge. Real quick, do the instruction. As you can see, they're in multiple languages, and there's a brief description of how you would set up to be able to charge your foldable and your buds. All right, put this together real quick. Let's tangle the cord here. You slip it through the back. And it took me a few times to put this together, but of course I didn't put that in the video. Right, just give you guys a look. It snapped on underneath. Right, real simple. The Type C port on the back. You're gonna plug that in. It shows your input, output voltage. There's your motion sensor. On the bottom, there's a button to release and to close up your phone. Right. Gonna put the little tightening ring on there first. Then over the top, and just tighten it up to your liking. I had mine on there pretty stiff. Like I said, you don't want your foldable device to fall out, slip out, or whatever the case may be. All right. Plug in your Type C in the back, and you're good to go. All right. You can adjust it to your liking. Of course, I'm trying to adjust it so you guys get the best view of it. All right. I sure appreciate that. And that's your two-way Type C or female to female in. What you do is you're gonna plug it in on a little mid piece or charging piece in the middle there, and that's going to go in the bottom of your base. All right, that's to ensure that you're charging your buds. As you can see, it's got a pretty good big piece of grip on the front and back of the base, and you can see the input and output of the voltage. All right, of course you're gonna plug that in, and you're gonna want to use a fast watt charging brick. Even if you don't use the one that came with it, it still needs to be fast or quick charge. All right, so as you can see, the buds are charging. That's my phone. I'm gonna pop the case off because you need it flat as possible for the charge. It'll hold it with the case on, but for the charge, you want you want your phone flat as possible. All right, and there it is. Real simple setup. Your phone is charging. You can do your vlogging, browse the internet, social media, whatever the case may be, while your phone is still charging. All right. Then from there, you just kind of adjusting it to your feel. Like I said, it gives pretty good resistance. This thing was very stiff and sturdy. I guess over time maybe it'll loosen up, but out the box it's real stiff. As you can see how easy it is to place your phone, pick your phone up, and it's gonna hold it in place. And I'll give you a demonstration of that here shortly. So you can hold it, it'll hold it vertically, horizontal, and as you can see, I'm not shaking it too crazy, but it shouldn't be shaking too crazy, but just enough so you can see that it's gonna hold your foldable in place. All right, nice. Quick tap, your phone back out, place it back on, sensor catches it. All right, real quick, just give you a demonstration. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Holding in place, as you see, I got TikTok loaded. I'm also using the TikTok ring there to the left. If you guys not familiar, let me know. I'll do a very brief video over it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Real cool, simple, effective tech. You hold a button, it shuts the screen down. All right. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Share the video. Appreciate you guys.